Microsoft Windows has a lot of cool things built into it, but did you know that there is a secret setting that Microsoft itself has developed which you can unlock using this app? You can download it from Microsoft's official GitHub. You can directly install it from Microsoft Store as well. Once it opens, you'll see a bunch of options in front of you that you probably have never seen before. It has a lot of cool things like this image resizer that gives you an option in the right-click context menu to quickly resize any image. That's actually really handy for someone like me who constantly dabbles with different sized media. There's also a keyboard manager with a key remapping tool built right into Windows. You don't need a third-party app anymore. So if you want to remap a certain key, like say for example the slash key or whatever else, to open another command, which is maybe 2 or 3 keyboard shortcuts, you can just assign one single key that you don't use that much, maybe the right shift key or this apostrophe key, and it works quite well because it's baked into the operating system itself. There are some nice mouse effects as well, like you can point the cursor wherever it is. This actually used to be a feature back in Windows, like older versions, but it wasn't as nice as this one. The animation is much better with this, so you can have it either with double pressing a control button or shaking the mouse. I imagine this can be quite useful when you're like sharing something on your screen and you want to highlight it with your mouse cursor. And there is this thing called fancy zones, which is designed for multitaskers with a big monitor. So you can create these different zones in your screen and then you can drag any windows to those zones by pressing and holding shift. And again, it's super smooth because it's made by Microsoft themselves. It's really useful. Just press and hold shift and move your window wherever, it just snaps to the alignment you have previously designed. There's a really nice text extractor as well, which is basically an OCR reader. So it can read text from like images or any other PDF or wherever where you can't really copy text directly. You just have to press Windows Shift and E, then select that area. It'll automatically copy that text to your clipboard, which you can paste wherever you want. As long as you're not copying some horrible handwriting, you should be fine. It has tons more useful things. I'm not gonna spoil everything. I'll let you explore for yourself. It's free anyways. So if you're a Windows PC user and you want to take your experience to the next level, I highly recommend you download Microsoft PowerToys. Link will be in the description. Check it out and let me know what you think.